Welcome to the presentation about calculating area of a circle. To be able to work out the area of a circle, you need to know the formula, which is pi times radius squared. Looking at the first circle, we have a radius of 10, so therefore the calculation would be pi times 10 squared, giving us 314.16 to 2 decimal places. Looking at the second circle, we need to be careful because they have given us the diameter. And we need to be able to use the radius, so therefore the calculation for area is pi times 3 squared, giving us a final answer of 28.27. What is the area of the shape? You may want to pause the video and take a minute to see if you can work out the answer. So, we know that area of a full circle is pi r squared. So to work out the area of a semicircle, we would need to divide that answer by 2. Again, be careful, we need the radius, which is 4. So pi times 4 squared divided by 2 gives us an answer of 25.13 to 2 decimal places. What is the area of the circle? Give your answer in terms of pi. Now this is a good thing because there are less calculations to perform. So we work out the area of the circle in the normal way. Pi times 6 squared. This gives us pi times 36. We do not need to type this into the calculator and we can simply leave our answer as 36 pi. What is the area of the shape? So we have a quarter of a circle where the radius is 12. So the area of a full circle is pi times 12 squared, and then we are going to divide that by 4 because we have a quarter, giving us a final answer of 113.10 to 2 decimal places. What is the area of the shaded part of the shape? To work that out, we're going to need to think about working out the area of the square, the area of quarter of the circle, and then subtract the area of the quarter of the circle from the square. So the area of the square would be 12 times 12, which is 144. The area of the quarter circle would be pi times 12 squared divided by 4, giving us 113.10 to 2 decimal places. So therefore the shaded part of the shape would be 30.9 centimeters squared. How would you go about finding out the area of the shaded part of this shape? You would need to work out the area of the big circle, the area of the smaller circle, and subtract the area of the small circle from the large. How would you go about finding the area of the shaded part of this shape? This one you could split up into 3 shapes. 2 semicircles and a rectangle, and then you would add the 3 areas together to get the total.